Hey, Crestview students, Mr. Brown here. Yeah, this video is for you. And I want to say thank you because I came to your school and you guys made me feel so welcome. From the moment I walked in, y'all were smiling, going, it's Mr. Brown. That made me smile. I know some of you were surprised to see me, and I'm grateful that you like my videos, and hopefully you like the assembly too. And I know I can be kind of silly, but I want you to really be serious about the message of choices, and never forget, of course, that I have a shiny head. But you can forget that if you want to, because sometimes it's not that shiny. But I want you to always remember, when you make better choices, you will live a better life. So choose well. Can I get an oh yeah? Oh yeah. Thank you guys so much for a great assembly. You guys listened really good. You participated. You did I am responsible for me. And I want to know, did anybody go home and tell their parents, I am responsible for me? I want to know. And so for those of you who came to the family night, I know some of you could not come. You had other things going on. And I'm grateful you did not throw a fit, because we told you when things don't go your way, just say okay. The idea is to learn how to deal with disappointment. You will be disappointed in life, and the better you learn to deal with it, the better off you'll be. So be able to take the good, the bad, the ugly, take a deep breath, say okay, and take that energy you would use to throw a fit or to get upset and put it toward making solutions, making your life better. Anyway, with that said, hey, I hope you guys really remember the message. Have a great time. Enjoy the videos that you get to watch of mine, and participate. When your teachers ask you questions about the videos, participate. But even more importantly than that, I want you to remember this, to respect your teachers and your other classmates. Remember, if your classmate's talking to you, what do? If you have a question in class, what do? Yeah, don't blurt. Wait your turn to talk or ask a question, because it's showing respect. And I want you guys to make the best choice you can. Hopefully I'll be coming back again to your school. I will be coming back to your school next year sometime, but maybe before that, we'll see. But even if I don't come back, you get to see the videos and watch them, and hopefully they will help you make better choices to live a better life. Ooh, it's thundering out there. It's a thunderstorm. Uh-oh. Hope you guys have a great time, and remember to choose well. Oh yeah. Peace.